What's going on, my good people? Mike Hidalgo here. Thank you for joining me on another FCP Euro DIY. Today, we're going to be working on a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas.
All right, we're rolling. We're here talking about cabin filters. We have a Hanks filter. We're going to put this in whatever this thing is behind me. I have no idea. It's a Volkswagen? It's an Atlas. It's an Atlas? All right, we got an Atlas here. We're doing a cabin filter. Let's go. We got Hanks. Let's get it popping. So in the vehicle, you're going to go to your glove box, open it. On the side of the glove box, you will see this arm. This arm is what articulates the glove box and kind of slows it from opening and closing. You'll see ridges on the side of the arm. Push down on that ridge that detaches the arm from the side of the box, allowing you to kind of get it out of the way. You want to move that out and move it down. Now looking at the box on either side, and we'll give you a close-up, there's going to be two stops, one on each corner. You want to grab those. Very edge of the box, push up on one, up on the other, and that'll slide it out of the way. These are just the holders that attach to the stop at the bottom of the box. Once you have this folded down, you'll see the arm. You'll also see the cavity up here where the cabin filter goes in. So looking at the top of the box where the cabin filter is held, you'll see these little clips that kind of sit in the bottom of the box. Those are where the top hat will hinge. At the very top, there's these small clips that you want to pry down on. It's very tight to get your finger there, but once you do that, the door will slide out. Then you'll have access to your filter. You'll note the arrows that say airflow. Pull your old one out. Granted, this car is relatively new, so our old filter is actually in decent shape. We're going to grab our new unit from Hanks. Same thing, you want to mind where the arrows are. Make sure we look good. New unit from Hanks should slide right into place. With that installed, we'll grab the door, being mindful of the little notches at the bottom. Sliding in the notches first. Aligning the clips. And pushing into place, making sure that they lock in. Once that's good to go, we can raise our glove box, trying to protect the arm as best we can. Passing the little retainers that lock it into place. Moving our arm into position. Locking that back into place. You should be good to go.
So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments on what I did today, leave those in the comment section below. And if you like this DIY and you want to see more like them, please consider subscribing. We make new ones all the time. As always, thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one.